How do you fix 007 First Light is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the launch options, you want to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Now once this is completed, you can close Steam. And then you will need to head to this link in your browser, which is in the description below. Now scroll down to this table and make sure to install the redistributables, the 86 and the 64, both of them. And once you're done, this will require you to reboot your computer. And right after the restart, you'll need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software to get your updates depending on your GPU, which will bring support for the game. And once you're done downloading and installing the driver update, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. And if you're still having crashes at the startup of the game, it's usually due to overlays. So you can go to Steam right here, go to settings, and then scroll down and click on in-game and turn off the overlay while in-game. You will also need to turn off the overlay from the NVIDIA app if it's already enabled from the settings here. And if you also have MSI Afterburner or Riva Static Tuner, you should also disable the overlay from there as well. And Discord. So if you have Discord, you will need to turn off the overlay by going to user settings and then scroll all the way down, click on game overlay and turn it off from here. And once you've turned all the overlays off, you will need to restart the game or potentially restart your computer before and then just run the game again from your library, and that should fix the startup crashes. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.